so these are ready to be stitched together now. The next step is to stitch them together. So what I need to do is make sure I get the right layers together. So this is the front of each piece. So I need to put the fronts together. So I'm going to flip that over. So the right side is going inward to the right side of the fabric here. So those are going to go together like this. And then I'm going to pin the edges. At the top of the bag, from here to here, you will be stitching with a basting stitch. So that's set at 5. If it's not set, see where it's blinking? That's the original stitch. If it's not at 5 already, you're going to push this button to put it back up to 5. And then when we get to the line, when you get to the line right here, you're actually going to stop at, you're going to put it back at 2.5 and then go around the bag. You're going to go around these 3 sides, this around here to here to here, and then when you get to this line again, we're going to change it back to a 5. So, and then you're just going to baste this part. Okay, the reason why we're basting that is because that's where the drawstring is going to go through. So it's a temporary stitch that's going to come out eventually. On 5, and I'm going to stitch it from here, and I'm going to stop at the line, back stitch. Okay, hold it right there. And I'm just going to stitch a really long basting stitch, back stitch a little bit so it holds it in. It will be coming out, but we want to hold it in so it doesn't come out before you're ready for it to. And when I get to the line, notice how my needle is lined up with the line. Notice. See how the line is coming in right where the needle is, and that's where I'm going to stop, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change my setting back to the 2.5 right here, and then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to back stitch just a teeny tiny bit. You don't want to go too far because you want those stitches to come out. And then make sure your needle's set to stop in the down position, so that you can pivot your corners. And when I get to the point that my line is lined up at the needle, that's where I'm going to stop again. So I can see the casing mark coming in right here. I'm going to stop on the line, and then I'm going to change this setting back to a 5. Okay, and I'm going to finish stitching just that top little edge. I need a back stitch first, and then just finish the top little edge, and then do a little tiny back stitch. And then see how my needle stopped in the down position. Even though I'm not on the thing, I'm going to bring my needle up. And then right over here, there is a place to cut your thread.